Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be behaving tomorrow and what are the key levels to look out for. And just a quick update, I was actually off on a personal reason for the last couple of days, hence there was no video out. However, now I'm back and there would be regular videos going forward until the end of the month, and most probably there would be a celebration weekend that we would have once we have achieved whatever the target that we have decided on our salary account. We are already in a huge progress, and if you want to know what we have done so far, you can visit the Telegram channel that is being listed on the description below and visit our website at your convenience. Now, let us go ahead and quickly talk about what is going to happen with the index and why is it acting so funny today. Now, firstly, let me just tell you, whatever happened on Friday has actually created, a bit of, a confusion in the market where Nifty is right now trying to retrace a bit, but there has been a solid buying that has actually happened over the last couple of days. Now, if you go ahead and check over here in the last two candles of 4 hours time frame, we can only see somewhere around 350,000 quantities in short. But however, if you look out for the other previous two candles, there is somewhere around 7 lakh plus quantity that is still on a buy. So whoever has exited right now over here might be the retailers or somebody else, or might be the smart money, we don't know, but still the index is on a net buy. So let us go ahead and see what would be the target for tomorrow. Now, if by any chance we open a gap up, okay, or if we open in between the range of 16,500 and 16,593 and take out a 15-minute candle above 16,593, then we are going to have a quick target over here touching the all-time high of 16,700 very soon. Now, if we go below 16,496, and if we consolidate in between this range of 16,383, then I would want to tell you nothing's going to happen here. So this range is going to be a no trade zone for me. Until and unless this has been broken, I won't be initiating any trade in Nifty tomorrow or until this expiry. Okay. And if by any chance I see a bullish candle formation above 16,500, then I will go ahead on a net buy scale and I'm going to be looking at the target on an all-time high once again. Now, why is it so important? Is because that there had been a trending market for quite a while since the 18th of August, but it has not given us, that many points, but it would have given a few people. But however, whenever the index is coming here, there is a buy, and whenever it is coming here, there is a buy. So another point over here, and if it breaks 16,386 is when there is going to be a follow-up. Now over here, you can also see that there is a lower high formation over here, and there is a trend line that is coming onto the top. Now this simply represents that if this trend line is broken, the distance from here till 16,600 would be covered within a couple of candles, and then a follow-up can take it up to the all-time high once again. So this can be an interesting couple of days that are coming ahead, and please be very careful in Nifty. And these are the ranges that you would need to be careful about and see what is going to happen. Now we're here in terms of the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, until and unless it is above this level of 35,432, there isn't a buy, because over here the index has tried to consolidate for a very long time between this range, and it never does so. If you would see that it took somewhere around 2 hours to come down from 35,400 till 34,800, but it immediately jumped off from here. Now, if you go back and see, every time the index has come here, it has fought very well and has taken all the steps that it needs to actually go to the upper circuit. Now, The most important thing over here that you would need to understand is that once this 35,432 is being broken, then there is going to be a very awesome move that you can actually capture. And that move can give you a decent amount of 900 points. That would be up to 3% in the index, or at least a minimum of 300 points until 35,758 will be seen very soon. Now, why would I say so? On the order flow scenario, I see a lot of selling happening, but there isn't a follow up. So until and unless there is, a follow up, then things are going to change here. Over here as well, there is a trend line. And if there is a consolidation between 35,200 and 34,700 over here for some time, and then it tries to break out, then I can immediately go ahead and initiate my position over here about 35,200, and then look for a target of somewhere around 35,600 easily. And then if it then retraces itself at 35,400, then I would go ahead and wait for a bullish candle formation and then look for a large target. So there might be a very highly likely a possibility that we might go to 36,000 this expiry. It all depends on what is going to happen tomorrow. So with this information, I'll let you go. If you have any queries, there is a WhatsApp number in the description below. You can ping me directly and I will be able to respond to you over there. And I thank you so much for your time. I hope these levels help you tomorrow. Please join our Telegram channel for a regular update. And if there are any questions, I'm always available for you on the WhatsApp. Thank you so much for your time today. I wish you have a beautiful day ahead. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye. And see you on our next video tomorrow. Love you all. Bye-bye.